What's up, everybody? It's Fran. Fran Trades on Instagram, but you can call me Fran. So today I'm gonna show you guys how I made $104 in a little bit less than a little bit less than 6 minutes, in about 5 minutes. So let's get straight into it. Today is obviously May 24th, 2022. The market opens at 9:30. So my first position when I first entered was at 9:32 and 26 seconds. So 2 minutes into the market open, I was ready to enter, and I exited my full position at 9:38:06. So that's a little bit less than 6 minutes. Let's just call it 6 minutes though. And yeah, again, I made $104 in a little bit. Let's just call it 6 minutes. All right. So first, I want to get into the chart. So we gapped down about 30%. Let's see, market open. We gapped down 35% overnight. Because the reasoning was because of bad news. The bad news was saying that the Snapchat CEO didn't really want to be a part of the company. He was starting to fire people. He sent out a bunch of emails to a bunch of people saying, "Oh, you know what? I'm thinking of firing you guys." Also, that the ad spend, the way that Snapchat makes their money has not been great lately. People are looking to spend less on Snapchat. They don't want to buy filters, whatever. So he also said that the Q2 earnings was going to be really poor, which caused this big down sell. This is large institutions selling their shares of Snapchat because they don't want them anymore. Because why would you want to be in Snapchat? So when this large gap down comes, you tend to see a large amount of volume. You will always see a large amount of volume. That's why there was 87 million shares traded today. So yeah, I had 3 reasons. That was my reasoning. So yeah, let's get into it. Let's get into the actual trade. So I'll create another one. So as I said, I entered my first position at 9:32. So let me put it out there. I'm gonna go on the 1 minute chart, which means that every chart is 1 minute. So at 9:32, I entered right here on this candle. 9:32. This is where I entered. Alright, so my first entry was right there. I really wanted my stop loss to be like right around here. Stop loss is when I don't want in on the stock anymore. I'm wrong and I don't want to be in the stock. I was also thinking, a good stop loss could be like around, this little line. We call it the VWAP, volume weighted average price. So yeah, that was my stop loss. As you can see here, I bought more about a minute after that. I bought my second position at 9:33.33. So I bought another one right there. I was really looking for just this candle right here, is the one that really makes you money when you're playing options. So I entered another one there. So these are my 2 entries so far. Then let's go back to my last 2 entries. 7 seconds, I bought another 5. This is when I was really looking to get risky, was at this candle. So I'm in about 8 contracts right there. So I'm gonna put that for y'all. Well, actually it would be 7. So 7 contracts here. So I'm in at 7. That's a lot of position sizing. And then about 2 minutes later, I enter with 3 more for a quick scalp. So I see all this downside. This is perfect. This is all I want. So 1, 2. I add more here. I'm adding more because this play is going in my way. It's dumping. So why would I get out yet if it's just going down? I might as well add more so I can make more money. So then, I let this play out a little bit. My overall target is right here. this dotted line. We call it ADR, average daily range, to the downside. So then I just start really to look to take off size. I exit at 37, 38, and 38. So let me find 37 for y'all. So I'm out right here on a couple of them because I'm just trying to create cash flow at that point. The trade is going in my way. Obviously, I want to let it run, but I'm getting these large candles to the downside, and I don't want to see these type of candles, this green. I don't want to see no struggling. I just want to see it go straight down. And then I wait till this last 38 candle with this nice downside here, and I'm out of my position. That's how I made $104. Again, you have to be, when you're trading, you have to be watching this. This is time and sales. This is the buying and selling of the stock. I know it looks like the Matrix and it looks crazy, but you can see these large 28,000. These are big orders that you really need to see. If you're just starting trading or really looking into getting trading, I really recommend the first thing you do is learn how to use this. It's called the time and sales. And yeah, pretty much that's it. That's how I made $104 in a little bit less than 6 minutes. Let's just call it 6 minutes. Please, if you have any questions, like, I don't bite, you feel me? I'm like, I want to put money in your pocket as well. I like to give people education. That's why I make these videos. Honestly, I know a lot of people don't even watch this shit. I know probably 80% of my friends don't even watch it, and I don't give a shit. This is for like those couple people that maybe are interested in it, maybe not even just trading, maybe just investing. But yeah, if you have questions, just hit me up. This is what I do. I love to talk about it. And yeah, that's pretty much it for me. That's how I made $104 in 6 minutes. Again, I want to give a shout out to my mentors, FICO Jordan, Cam G, Boss Gang VIP, Mr. Check My Resume, Investing for Legacy. I want to shout out the whole Alpha Pack Trading. They have really improved my game. I also want to give out a shout out to SMB Capital, a YouTube channel. It's a prop trading firm in New York. Big shout out to them as well. But definitely huge shout out to all my mentors and everybody at the Alpha Pack. That's the most banging Discord. Always on that Discord. They were the one that pointed out this trade to me, and I couldn't be here without